Wow, well here we are again. It's been some time. I just thought it's been a little bit since we've done a Hairstyle Wednesday show, except this isn't on a Wednesday. I might throw these videos in every now and again, you know, see what you guys are thinking. These are kind of like reaction based. I'm gonna walk you through some hairstyles. This is what we do. We've got 5 hairstyles to show you this week. 5 hair types that are not my own, styles that are not my own, given some variety. That's what I'm trying to do. But speaking of my hair, that 6-month hair growth challenge is doing me good so far. It's starting to finally look alive again. What do you think? That length is coming back. It's starting to hit the sweet spot, and we're not even halfway through, so I don't know what's gonna happen with this 6-month hair growth challenge, but that's not what this is about. I've scoured the internet for Instagram's finest, and let me tell you, that is a very low bar to set. Finding content, men's hair content on Instagram is like scrubbing through some sewage. So, you know, I did the best I can, but there's definitely gonna be some cringe moments, as always. Let's go ahead, start out with number 1. All right, we're dealing with a guy who's thinning a little bit. I included this because I've shown some of this content on my channel before. Let me pause for a second. So they've cleared out the hair on top, and they're gonna be putting on a wig, basically. So like a fitting, which is semi-permanent. I've posted 2 videos like this before. They're always a little bit controversial. People are like, why would you do that? But to me, if it makes the guy feel better, then who are you to be like, why are you doing it? He feels better about having hair on his head, let him have hair on his head. And on that note, just picture what he looks like right now with the shaved hair on top, and then check out what he is gonna look like once we actually get to the finished result. So that's the hair that's going on top, and then now the barber just trims it up, and check that out. He looks completely different. He looks so much younger. He looks more confident in his expressions. I just wanted to throw this in there so you could see. I think it was done well. The hairline looks fairly natural. Why not? He's a happy man, why not? What do you think? Would you do it if your hair was falling off the top of your head? Let me know. All right, Mr. Smiley Man. Taking up too much time. Hairstyle number 2. This guy looks a little bit like Justin Bieber. Just a little. Yeah, definitely could be his older brother. Anyways, I'm showing you this because he's trimming up his own hair, which first of all, there's a lot of talent involved. Don't try this at home unless you're a professional. I wouldn't try it. Main reason why I'm showing you this though is because, of course, like I said, I'm going through my 6-month hair growth challenge, and I'm thinking about doing something similar on the sides, maybe not quite as short, but as you can see with my hair right now, a little bit poofy. I do want to take it down. My hair is approaching the length of his hair, so I think that it could look good. What do you think? I'm planning on getting a trim soon on the side, so actually by the time this video comes out, I would have made my decision. But still, did you think I made a good one or not? Anyways, he finished off with some pomade. Of course, if you want a similar look, we got that 5th sample pomade for you. And it's even better because it's gonna wash out nice and easily. That's hairstyle number 2. Let's move on. We're coming up to hairstyle number 3. And I picked this one because I wanted to show you guys what I have to go through when I'm searching for this content. To me, this hairstyle, what you're about to watch, is the epitome of Instagram's men's hair videos. First of all, you got the dude who's looking super moody. The haircut itself is actually pretty decent. This guy is very tatted up. Where do you go to find services like that? I've never been to a place. Look at that guy, he's so enthusiastic. This is some kind of face mask. I've never been to a place where I can get that stuff kind of done. The barber is, very excited. Look at him. This is what I mean. This is Instagram men's hair content for you. The client, the barber, they're all excited. They're having a good time, but it's a massive cringe fest at the same time. Look at them. I just wanted to show you, all right? Did you see that bit at the end? That was the thumbnail. This is what I have to put up with. I realize this video is called, 5 great hairstyles for men, but really this is more of a discussion. This is like, here's some thoughts of mine, what do you think? And I'm kind of doing that for this next one because this next one is a very unrealistic hairstyle in terms of day-to-day use. It's very overdone, a lot of product use, but there's talent in the work done by the barber. That's where the magic happens with those brushes right there. So this is This is something that I wanna, or maybe I've already brought to a video by this point. It's making the really crisp lines with those with a wide tooth comb. Basically, you put the comb there by the hair, and then you take some hairspray and you spray it in place. And basically this barber is just doing that over and over and over until the hairstyle looks absolutely unrealistically perfect. I'm thinking it's a cool technique to use if you want to get some, you know, some texture in your hair. I would definitely not do it to this extent personally. And I think this is more of like, you know, you could see this guy on the runway or some kind of fashion event, but it's definitely not a realistic day-to-day style. That said, looks quite cool. What do you guys think? Not an everyday style, but shows some talent. That's what I was thinking. Thank you. We've already hit the 5th one. Let's check it out. Hairstyle number 5. And of course, by my man, Kochi. He's got a channel on YouTube. Check him out. He's the only person who uploads non-cringy Instagram content. Thank you, Kochi. You're making my life a little easier. All right, but anyways, on to this video. I specifically like the way the beard looks at the end, but we're not there yet. Giving it a nice trim, going in with that Pacino's. I've done a Pacino's budget breakdown, guys. If you've missed that, check it out. Let me pause for a second because we've just skipped right through it. But this is a very just traditional, classic slick back. I think it looks nice. It's slick backed on both sides. Whereas like my hair naturally grows from the right to the left. So I've got my hair going back and kind of in this direction. It's quite hard for me personally to get a perfect slick back. When my hair is a little bit longer, I might try it out. But you can see that's what's happened for this guy. Beard looks good, hair looks good. Kochi is good, check him out, like I said. Well guys, that's 5 hairstyles. What do you think about them? That's what this show's all about. I'm showing you the stuff, you're telling me what you think. Make sure you sign up to our email list. I've got it down below where we're giving away monthly products for free, monthly BluMaan products for free, along with other exclusive BluMaan content down there in the description down below. Are you still involved in the 6-month hair growth challenge? I'll be making an update, of course, when the time is right. Anyways, guys, I appreciate you tuning in as per usual. That's it for me, and I'll see everybody next time.